Hello guys, welcome to Berrie Nutrition and a very happy Thanksgiving to you all. So today we made this roasted chicken for our Thanksgiving dinner. So I took around one whole chicken that weighed around 3 pounds, and for the dry ingredients I had 1 teaspoon of crushed chili flakes, salt according to your taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon dried oreganos, 2 to 3 tablespoons lime juice, 4 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and a mixture of soy sauce, hot sauce, white vinegar, peri sauce, 1 teaspoon each. So here I am mixing all the dry ingredients with the wet ones. Once the mixture is ready, you can use your hands or a brush to apply and evenly coat the chicken. Make sure that you fill in all the cuts and sides of the chicken. Once evenly coated, don't forget to tie the legs of your chicken. You can use a thread or a dental floss. I am using a thread to tie them. Transfer your chicken to your baking tray. I have lined my baking tray with an aluminum foil. You can use a baking paper or a parchment paper too. Here I am adding my potato wedges to the same tray just to save myself some time so that the wedges and the chicken are cooked together and evenly. Once done, now you can preheat your oven on 200 degrees Celsius for like 5 to 10 minutes. My total baking time was around 35 minutes. It actually depends on your oven, so make sure to adjust and check accordingly. So here is our chicken all dished out and ready to be served. Here is just a little glimpse of our small Thanksgiving dinner that we had with our family. Wishing you and your families a very happy Thanksgiving and a blessed year ahead. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section below. Till then, take care of yourselves and the people around you. Bye bye.